Alright, welcome back to the channel. As you saw from the thumbnail, finally got my Billy Boat exhaust in. It took about 4 weeks, which is a little longer than I thought they would come in, but boy are these things nice. Now I got home probably about a half an hour ago. My cell phone, which is what I film with, was dead, so I already unboxed everything, so you're not going to get my initial impressions of this, but boy, I was super excited when I opened this box up. I was like a 10-year-old that, opening up his first porno mag. So I know these Texas speed headers are what's going to give me, a lot of the performance bang, but these things are nice. So let me flip the camera around here and I'll show you. Alright, so this is everything that came in the box. You can see it came with the 2 sections that go over the rear axle there. Came with each side muffler here, even though I'm saying muffler, but as you can see, there's no mufflers for the Billy Boat Bullets in this box here. These are the clamps. Put these together. It also came with a pair of gaskets, which also the Texas Speed headers came with gaskets as well. And then it did come with, a little CAD drawing here showing all the different pieces, what you get. And then just how to align everything with the new exhaust, little instructions on how to do all that. Now I know a lot of other manufacturers have very big tips, but these tips are massive. I mean, these things they're 4-inch tips. And then one nice thing that Billy Boat adds to their stuff, maybe Borla, maybe Corsa do the same thing. But that's pretty cool. I mean, it gives you the part number, it gives you the date that it was manufactured. So you can see that they just built these for me. So far, I'm really happy with these. I know, a lot of guys are going to complain or comment down below that, there's a lot of drone with these, but man, these things are sexy. Now to be prepared for the rest of the header install, I don't know if the existing plug wires are going to break or not. But since I'm taking them off anyway, I got these GM Performance red wires. I know nothing about plug wires or spark plugs themselves, so I went on to the Corvette forums. A lot of guys had a lot of good things to say, and a lot of them recommended these GM plug wires, their Performance red wires. And then also I picked up some of these AC Delco Iridium plugs. You'll see the number there, 41-110. And then some of the instructions on how to put the headers in. Some guys said that they had to take off the valve covers, so I just picked up some valve cover gaskets from Advanced Auto. So just in case if I have to do that, at least I have them. If I don't need to do it, then I'll just return them, but at least I have them anyway. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's upload. I just wanted to do a short little unboxing of the new Billy Boat Bullets that I got. A few of the other goodies that I got for this weekend. Now it does look like the snow's going to hold off this weekend here in New Jersey, so I already contacted my wife's uncle, and it looks like I'm going to be putting these in on Saturday morning. So unfortunately we haven't had good weather here, so I don't have any before clips on what the exhaust sounds like currently. But I'll definitely be putting up some sound clips on what it sounds like afterwards. I'm super excited about putting these B&Bs on, as well as these Texas Speed headers. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.